Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to be talking about all of my current favorite products. So I have a wide variety of products here in front of me. We have some skincare products, we have some hair products, we have makeup products. So I thought about doing a January favorites, but then as I was adding products into the pile, I realized that a lot of these products are things that I've tried within like the last 6 months that I really love. I even have one product here which I'm going to be sharing with you guys that goes all the way back to 3 years. I try out a lot of different products, but I never really get the chance to talk about them. Every once in a while I'll post something on my story, but there are a lot of products that I do like and a lot of products that I don't like that I never talk about. So if you guys like these kind of videos, then please leave a like and comment down below, and I'll definitely do more product review videos. So first I'm going to be talking about my favorite skincare products at the moment. The first product I'm going to mention is the Foam Around Clarifying Daily Cleanser by NVD Project, and they are actually the sponsor of today's video, but even though this is a sponsored mention, I do truly love all of their products. I've been using their foaming cleanser, their toner, and their moisturizer in my daily skincare routine. So this cleanser right here retails for $22 and you get 3.4 fluid ounces. It is a very lightweight cleanser and it doesn't strip the skin of any natural oils. My skin doesn't feel super dry or tight after I use it. And this right here is another product that I really love from NVD Project. It's their Glaze No. 1 lip oil, and it's a tinted lip oil that doesn't feel super sticky or tacky, and it leaves like a red tint on your lips. It's not too dramatic to where it looks like you're wearing lipstick, but it's a super cute, like natural looking tint. So you guys can get all 5 of these products right here in a kit if you wanted to try them. It comes with the cleanser, the toner, the moisturizer, the lip oil, and the lightning bolt eye patches. You could get all 5 of those products that I just mentioned for only $59. I believe the original price is over $100, but they're having a great sale right now, and you could also save extra money by using code Kevin at checkout. Alright, thank you so much NVD Project for sponsoring today's video, and let's move on to the next product. Okay, so the next product is from Drunk Elephant, and it's their new hydrating mask. It's called the F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial Mask Hydrant. So this is the full size, and this retails for $45, and you get a good 1.69 fluid ounces. And this mask could definitely last you a while. It says to use 4 to 5 pumps, but I feel like 2 to 3 pumps is plenty. I love to use these 2 products from Drunk Elephant together. So this is their Secure Baby Facial, and this is their hydrating mask. I love to go in with the baby facial maybe like twice or 1 time a week, and then follow up with the hydrating mask to kind of soothe my skin. I did notice that my skin felt a lot more hydrated in the morning and a lot more like glowy and plump. So this next product is from Pharmacy, and it's their Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and this is a makeup remover. This has replaced my makeup remover wipes. I used to go in with like 3 to 4, sometimes 5 makeup wipes, but if I just take a very small amount of this and work it into my skin, it breaks up all of my makeup. This literally removes everything, even waterproof mascara. It removes my eyelash glue, eyeliner, like any traces of makeup. This is going to take that away. And it's also really good for sensitive skin because even though it does remove all of the makeup, it doesn't strip your skin of oil or make your skin feel super dry afterward. Like this stuff right here is literally magic, and it smells amazing too. Alright, so the very last skincare product that I'm going to be talking about is the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. Now I received this product in PR about 2 weeks ago, and I've been using it at nighttime since, and it is a very good moisturizer. It is super thick, but it doesn't feel super heavy. And this moisturizer does have This moisture has shea butter and oat milk with oh my god, why can I not talk? And I also feel like this is really great for sensitive skin because there's a lot of claims here, which I'm going to read some of them to you right now. It says it's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, talc-free, silicone-free, sulfate-free, and fragrance-free. So, whatever that means. Alright, so moving on, we're going to go into the hair products, and I only have 2 products to mention here, and the first one being the Arctic Fox Bleach Please At-Home Hair Lightening Kit, and I actually did a full review testing this out on my channel. It was my most recent video, so if you want to see that, I will leave a click-through link somewhere over here. But I thought I'd still mention it because it is a product that I really loved and would definitely be repurchasing once I run out. The next hair care product that I'm going to be talking about is by the brand Mondo, which is Brad Mondo's brand. I'm sure anyone who watches hair content knows who Brad Mondo is. He does the Hairdresser Reacts videos, and I've been loving his brand and products lately. And this one right here is the Electric Rain Moisture Cream. So this basically works as a leave-in conditioner, and it leaves your hair feeling very moisturized, It makes your hair look super healthy. And it says that it has advanced oil and wheat protein, which hydrates and rebuilds your hair. This retails for $28 and you get a good 5 fluid ounces out of it, so you could get a lot of use out of it. I feel like a little bit does go a long way. So what I'll do is when I get out of the shower after I do my shampoo and conditioner, then I'll just put like a quarter size amount into my hand and I will work it through my hair. It does definitely make my hair look a lot healthier. I notice that when I don't use it, my hair looks super dry, brittle, and there's like little pieces of hair sticking out in its true form because my hair is super dead and damaged right now. My favorite thing about his products is they all smell so amazing. They all have apple and blueberry extracts. Apple. Like if they made a body spray of this, I would definitely take a bath in it. Alright, so that's all for hair. Now we're going to move on to makeup, which is our last category. The first product that I'm going to mention is the Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer. Okay, so the original Professional Primer used to be my holy grail, but this is definitely my new favorite because what I used to do is I used to go in with a hydrating primer and then I would go in with the Professional Primer, but this kind of combines the two. I don't need two different products anymore. I just use this one. I definitely recommend this primer. I feel like it does everything, fills your pores, kind of blurs everything, and it also hydrates at the same time. It's my new favorite primer, so that's all I have to say. Alright, the next product I've been obsessed with lately, and I just recently discovered this maybe about a week ago. This is the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer, and this retails for $34. I know that $34 is kind of a lot. I would consider myself a penny pincher when it comes to makeup and buying new products. I'm always like, oh, that's a nice product, but I feel like I could get almost the same results with this product, which is like half the price. But this concealer right here, I would definitely dish out the money for. So I used to be so obsessed with the Tarte Shape Tape and the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but this concealer right here, the Hourglass one, has knocked all those out of the park. 10 out of 10. Alright, so the next product I'm going to be talking about is the one that I've been using for about 3 years now. If you go all the way back to my first few videos, you can see that I am using this product and I still use it to this day. It's still my favorite. This is the Clinique 2-in-1 Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. When I first started getting into makeup, I didn't have the money to afford a new foundation, so I would go to different Clinique counters and get samples of this product right here because I loved it so much. I think I maybe got like 10 samples of this product before I actually went and bought it, and I don't recommend that. I know that anyone who works at a makeup counter is probably like frowning upon me right now. I've been through it with this foundation. I used to use it when I had really bad acne. I love to use this as a full coverage foundation. It's a very buildable medium to full coverage. I could go on and on about this foundation, but one of my favorite uses of it is to use it as a spot concealer. So whenever I go out in public and I just want a little bit of coverage on like my acne marks or acne scars, I'll place this on top of them. My one and only complaint I have about this product is the applicator. I feel like it's very unsanitary. If you rub it on your skin and you place it back in here, I feel like you're just putting dirt and oil into your foundation. But other than the applicator, this is my holy grail foundation. It's been with me for 3 years and it's probably gonna be with me for another 10 years or until they discontinue it, which I hope they never do. So the next product I've been obsessed with is from Haas Laboratories, and it's their Armor Wingtips. Now, I am someone who struggles with wing eyeliner, which is why I really love these, because it gives you that perfect wing without having to actually do it yourself. This has definitely changed my life for the better. So the next product is from Glow Recipe, and it's their Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And I think my favorite thing about this product is the sprayer. It's kind of like an ultra fine mist. I don't know if you guys could see that. So some of the reasons why I love this product is it does make my skin feel super hydrated, it makes it look super healthy and glowy, and it does an amazing job at setting makeup as well without breaking it up. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos where I just talk about products, then please let me know in the comments and I'll definitely make more of these videos. Maybe I'll start doing like a monthly favorites. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!